If you're watching this video, you may know me, or you've seen or even supported my previous work. As a filmmaker, when I come across a story, I gather proof that the story has real value. And that's exactly what I've been doing since I learned about the Riseboro Impact Competition. From mid-2018 to mid-2019, I traveled regularly to the Bushwick neighborhood of Brooklyn to document the inaugural year of the Riseboro Impact Competition. The RIC, as it's known, is an innovative crash course in how to organize and fund a startup social enterprise. The contestants are all employees of Riseboro, the largest social services agency in Brooklyn. What I saw in Bushwick was all the untapped potential and the transformation that took place as eager competitors were coached throughout the year, developing, testing, and marketing prototypes to make their ideas real. Please watch this short clip that introduces the competition.
I've always wanted to have some kind of an impact in my community.
I think I have what is a really quality idea.
Mine is a medical equipment lending program.
My strengths are my personal experience as a community member, as a participant of various different organizations within Riseboro.
I need a numbers person.
I want somebody who is very good at marketing.
I could go on for days on ways to improve what I see in the community and in the neighborhood.
I'm not from Bushwick, but I have been working with Riseboro for a year and a half, and I'm super excited to do whatever I can for this neighborhood.
These are Riseboro employees who have shown the initiative to submit ideas to the Riseboro Impact Competition, RIC for short. Many of them have experience with some of the problems that they're actually trying to solve now.
Right now, the United States spends less money than the rest of the world on early childhood education.
I grew up in Bushwick, and I've benefited a lot from the agency. I was able to get a scholarship to go to Georgetown.
$94 billion is spent each year in teen pregnancy. Give me $1 million.
I think I generated a lot of excitement today. I think I was able to articulate the need, show how easy it was to start up this program. It was intimidating.
Is it a game changer for Riseboro?
But I made a connection.
Probably my biggest competitor would be Chris Leto with the HEAL program.
Oh my God, I can't believe I'm up here pitching an idea.
Help these families and give them the personal touch that they need.
I'm passionate about it, but how can I articulate it to everyone else?
We're going to take this passion and we're going to innovate business models and partnerships and strategies.
Project E-Step is an economic solution to eradicate poverty.
I was 25 years old. I was working on Wall Street. I had my dream job, dream apartment. Hurricane Sandy came. I lost my dream job as well as I lost my apartment. My greatest competitor would be Yamisi.
Leap Forward is a sustainable solution to this really big problem.
This type of competition, you need something that is scalable, that has impact, and has the ability to be sustainable beyond the first year.
When you have an opportunity like this, that only comes around once in a lifetime, you don't want to miss out on it.
Only one competitor will win the $30,000 grand prize to start their own social enterprise. But several of the projects turn out to be too good to pass up. The RIC is a groundbreaking model for intrapreneurship and employee engagement in the type of setting where individual initiative often gets no more than lip service. And the individuals behind the projects have unique, heart-wrenching, and heartwarming stories. Here are some brief clips of the 3 ambitious finalists.
I love what I do. I've always wanted to be a social worker. We basically take care of the homebound. We bring services to the homebound client. So me taking on this other project It's not impossible. It's something that I'm passionate about, so it feels like just, okay, what's next? Hello.
Nice to see you.
Hi, nice to see you. How are you? I'm good. The challenge is just for me to work on my public speaking a little bit more with, you know, in terms of giving speeches to large audiences.
Next, I'd like to call up Ann Donaldson, who will be presenting Esperanza Counseling Services.
I came up with this idea to bring mental health services to the home of senior citizens.
Currently, we do not have a mental health component here at Riseboro. I hope to be the winner. I plan to win this competition.
That's my son. His name is Jaden Eli Rodriguez, and I had him when I was 19. So my daughter was 3 years old. Unfortunately, after he was born, he got sick and he didn't make it. I had to make the decision to stop medical treatment. That was a very tough time. I tell people that I feel older than I actually am. Making life decisions like that age you. And then having my daughter ask questions. Mom, where's your belly? Where's the baby that was in your belly? And having to be a mom for her, how do you bounce back and be a mom when you just go through a loss like that? So, but October is infant and pregnancy loss month, and it so happens to be the month that he was born. So I try to remember days that I did have with him, the good things that I saw, that I felt, and then that gets me through this holiday season, which is a very hard time of the year. I mean, I want to win, but being here to me is already a win. But if I get to take it further, taking it away from anybody, my idea is that good. What is the MOM Project? MOM stands for Makers of Magic. Women create lives, and that's a superpower. I am a former teen mom. And the reason I was able to make it was because I had a mentor. So I want to take that and I want to multiply and I want to provide that to teen moms like myself now.
I want to focus my Leap Forward organization on families and individuals who receive government subsidies for housing. Only when you understand the cycle can we do something to break it.
I lived it. I'm the baby of 9. We grew up in a 2-bedroom. Dining room converted into a bedroom for the boys. We were poor.
The number one way to measure someone's mentality when it comes to poverty is whether or not they seek instant gratification. Poverty teaches you, you worked hard, you got a paycheck, spend it all, get what you want.
This is nice. I'm nervous, I'm anxious, I want to do well. If Leap Forward can staff 5 people, we could start. So if in this room we can raise enough to get 5 salaries off the ground, we could have a year of operating to show that Leap Forward can make a difference. Bet on me, see.
These are visionaries, but they also have developed experiments designed to see, does this vision really work? And then they've worked with a whole web of community partnerships to pilot these and develop scalable solutions that can be replicated and applied to communities throughout this country.
The winner of the 2019 Riseboro Impact Competition is...
We've managed to self-fund this past year of filming. Now, we need your help to fund follow-up profiles with several of the contestants and to edit the 100+ hours of footage into a story that shows how this competition has transformed the lives of many of the participants and how their work will in turn benefit the neediest residents of the community. And most importantly, this film will inspire and be a model for impact competitions in many other communities. We've set a goal of raising $75,000 to get us through the next phase of production, with a rough cut that we can then use to seek finishing funds from film festivals, foundations, and distributors. All of your donations will go directly to the production and post-production budget. Your contribution will really make a difference. Thank you.